Hi children, Uma here. Today we are going to see about Chemistry Chapter 4, Changes Around Us, Part 4. Learning objective to know about expansion and contraction. Let's move on to definition of expansion and contraction. Expansion is the increase in the dimensions of a body when subjected to an increase in temperature, internal pressure, etc. When expansion is due to increase in temperature, it is termed as thermal expansion. Contraction is the opposite of expansion. Changes can be brought about by heating or cooling certain substances. Metals like iron, gold, and silver soften on heating and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. Thus, on heating, metals expand, and on cooling, they go back to their original sizes. It is a reversible change. Fixing wooden handles into iron blades. The concept of expansion and contraction is utilized to fix wooden handles into iron blades to form tools which are used to dig the soil and for various other purposes. The iron blade of these tools has a ring into which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally, the ring is slightly smaller in diameter than the wooden handle. While fixing the handle, the ring is heated. It becomes slightly larger in size, that is, expansion takes place. The wooden handle is now fixed easily in the ring. On cooling, the ring attains its normal size, that is, contraction takes place. The wooden handle fits tightly in the ring. Next is about metal rim fixed on cart wheel. The same concept is utilized while fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel of a cart. Normally, the size of the metal rim is slightly smaller than of its wooden wheel. While fixing the metal rim, it is heated. It becomes slightly larger in size and now it can be fixed onto the wooden wheel. On cooling, it contracts and fits tightly onto the wheel. Do you know? To allow the expansion of rails in hot weather, small gaps are deliberately left between the rail lanes. Such tracks are known as joined tracks. Let's move on to questions. Question number 1, define expansion. Number 2, what is contraction? And number 3, explain the steps involved in fixing iron rim into cartwheels. Number 4, give 2 examples of metals which can be molded into different shapes or sizes. And number 5, what is expansion otherwise termed as? So children, read these questions carefully and write your answers in an A4 sheet or in your chemistry note. Thank you children.